A very good morning, students. Welcome back to the next video of IGKO Olympiad Workbook. As we have already learnt in over here, chapter number 1 and 2, 3, chapter 1, 2 and 3 we have already done. Today we are going to do chapter number 4, that is universe. Okay, that is universe. So let us begin with chapter number 4. Okay, universe. Today we are going to do universe. We are going to learn about something MCQs from universe chapter. Okay, I hope you are watching videos and you are understanding it. Do comment if you want to have any queries, to comment. Okay, so student, chapter number 4 about universe. Question number 1 we will start with. Okay, which of the following is the largest natural satellite in our solar system? For this, our answer begins with MCQ. Number A, we have Triton. Number B, Callisto. Number 3, Ganymede. Number 3, Titania. So, our answer is option number C, Ganymede. Okay. Number 2, Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9 times that of Earth. The atmosphere of the Saturn is mainly composed of what? Of oxygen and nitrogen. Option B, helium and oxygen. Option C, hydrogen and helium. And option D is hydrogen and nitrogen. So it will be hydrogen and helium. Okay, because Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It is, if oxygen would have been present, then there would be a presence of human being or animals. Okay, so hydrogen and helium is a gas giant with an average radius. Okay, that is 9 times that the Earth. Okay, that is 9 times that the Earth. Okay, number 3, each planet in the solar system has season. On which of the following planets the length of each season is of about 3 years? A, Venus. B, Saturn. C, Neptune. D, Jupiter. So our answer will be Jupiter. Our answer will be Jupiter. Each planet in the solar system has seasons. On which of the following planets the length of each season is of about 3 years? So Jupiter is the planet where length of each season is of 3 years. Okay. Number 4, which among the following is the nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way? Nearest major galaxy to the Milky Way. So our option IC 1101, Andromeda, okay, NGC 262, D, none of these. So answer for this is Andromeda. Okay, Andromeda. Number 5th, I think you will not be able to see this, so I'll make it again. Andromeda. Okay, so number 5th question we are in. Constellations are a group of stars that form a particular shape in the sky. Each of them has been given a specific name. Which organization is responsible for naming constellation? Which organization? Okay, we all know it is number A. We will read Federation of Astronomical Societies. No. Number B, NASA, not at all. Okay, number C, the International Astronomical Union. And D, ISO. Usually any name is given by the union only, union. Okay, so it is C, option C, the International Astronomical Union. Okay, let us see the next question. What is there? Who among the following holds a world record for the most spacewalks? 16 EVAs, and to spend more than 82 hours outside in the space. So it is what? Number A, Alexei Lenovo. Number B, Edward Higgins White. Number C, Anatoly Soloviev. And D, John Glenn. So our option is number C, Anatoly Soloviev. Okay, let us move to question number 7. Okay, 7th question we'll see. We have 7th question, that is, a space probe is a robotic spacecraft that leaves Earth's orbit and explores space. Which among the following was the first space probe to maintain orbit around another planet? So our options are for 7th number question is A, Mariner 10, B, Mars 3, C, Mariner 9, D, Sojourner. So our option is C, Mariner 9. Our option is Mariner 9. Our 8th number question, moving to 8th number question. NASA's new spacecraft for astronauts will carry astronauts into deep space and then return them home safely to the Earth. It will be able to travel to an asteroid or even Mars. Which spacecraft are we talking about? So which spacecraft we are talking about? This is option number B, Orion. Option number B, Orion. Moving to question number 9. The solid core structure of a comet is known as the nucleus. The nucleus of a comet is composed of an amalgamation of rock, dust, water, ice, and many frozen gases. Which of the following gases is the nucleus of the comet composed of? So here we are going to find which of the following gases the nucleus of a comet composed of. So here we got the option A, carbon dioxide, B, carbon monoxide and methane only, C, ammonia and methane only, D, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane and ammonia, all of the things. So here all the gases, option number D. Option number D, we have got the correct answer. Okay, moving to question number 10. Okay, stars are enormous pair of ignited gas that light the cosmos. They come in many different types and shapes. Which among the following is not a known type of stars? So let us read which is not the known type of. White dwarf, red giant we have learned, green dwarf, red dwarf. So here it is now option number C, that is green dwarf. Okay, it is not a known type of stars. Okay, number 11 question, moving to Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the earth after the sun, is a type of dash. What is the sun? Is a type of red dwarf star, B, brown dwarf star, C, blue giant star, D, yellow dwarf. So don't write it yellow, write it red. Okay, write red dwarf stars. It is a sun is a red. Okay, red dwarf stars. Okay, moving to question number 12. Which of the following statement is incorrect about Milky Way? Okay, Milky Way, Galaxy Way, okay, all are same. So 90% of its stars of its mass consist of dark matter which is not visible to us. Yes, it is correct. Milky Way is made up of dust and gas. Okay, then also it is correct. Okay, the center of our galaxy is called Sagittarius A. Yes, that is also right. So none of these will be the answer. Okay, next, moving to next question number 13. LROD is a robotic spacecraft that is orbiting the moon. It is taking pictures and gathering information about the moon's surface. What does LRO stand for? I repeat my question. LRO is a robotic spacecraft that is orbiting the moon. It is taking pictures and gathering information, remember, okay, about the moon surface. What does LRO stand for? Here we have to say the full form of LRO. So let us see. A. Lunar Reconnaissance Orbit. Okay, Reconnaissance Orbiter. B. Lunar Recording Object. C. Lunar Recreating Orbiter. D. Lunar Recognition Object. So it is orbiter. The option will be number A. Option A, Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. Okay, let us do question number 14. Pluto is having 5 known moons. Charon is the largest moon having diameter equal to what? Pluto is having 5 known moons. Charon is the largest moon having diameter equal to what? Equal to half the diameter of the Pluto, 1/3 of the diameter of the Pluto, 1/4 of the diameter of the Pluto, or double the diameter. It is half the diameter of the Pluto. What is the answer? Having half the diameter of the Pluto. Moving to question number 15. It is the largest explosion of stars that takes place in space. It is difficult to see in our own Milky Way galaxy due to dust which blocks our view. It was last discovered by Johannes Kepler in 1604. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? I am repeating my question again. It is the largest explosion of stars that takes place in space. It is difficult to see in our own Milky Way galaxy due to dust. Which blocks our view? Its most largest discovered by Johannes Kepler in 1604. What are we talking about? So here we are talking about supernova. Okay, we are talking about supernova. Still black hole is not being seen, star explosion is not there. We are talking about supernova. Okay, 16. Coming to question number 16. Okay, which of the following statement is incorrect about Jupiter? Which of the following statements is incorrect about Jupiter? Option A, the great red spot is a giant spinning storm present in the Jupiter which resembles a hurricane. Yes, it is true. The atmosphere of Jupiter is made up of hydrogen, helium gas. Okay, that is also true. Jupiter has 7 thick rings. No, that is correct. This is the answer. This is the answer. Jupiter does not have 7 thick rings. Okay. Moving to question number 17. The meteor crater is a huge hole in the middle of the desert outside Flagstaff, Arizona. Who among the following first suggested that it was produced by a meteorite impact? Okay, who among the first had suggested